Shout out and welcome to Pure Stone Heart once again, guys. We will be doing our unboxing. So it's kind of like how many weeks or months we don't have any unboxing, but for today's video, guys, we will do our another unboxing. So I just go out yesterday, and again I went because I want to buy a gift for my cousin, and so I did, and I gave it yesterday, and then I have it also mine because I get jealous. Again, for today's video, I will be sharing again. Then this is not to brag once again, and I get another piece of my collections. This one, the Beverly Hills Polo Club. Yes, another piece of watch, guys, which I love. Actually, guys, 3 weeks ago I went to other Emirates, and I have there, but I did not able to purchase. But anyway, guys, I want you to check this one for me. Another piece of simple yet elegant watch. Very tight, yes. It's not that expensive anyway. So see, look the beauty. Very simple, very classic, and it's nice. So I had it already done. When I come today, guys, to my office, there is a shop watch there. So I had it done. I had to remove three pieces, so it will be yeah, Beverly Hills Polo Club. This is the warranty certificate. Legit, guys. The packaging is very nice. Warranty. This is the warranty. And look at the details. So of course, Beverly Hills Polo Club, there is the logo. And he had to wear it. Very nice. See, it's very classic, simple yet see. very classy. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Pure Stone Heart, and thank you. Spread love and positivity and share our videos. Like and share. Thank you so much, guys. God bless.